Cue ball's going close.
I think Carl's going to feel the same way. Earl's going to have his hands full.
Yeah, me and Scott.
Earl, one of the smartest in the business. You recognize when somebody cues well.
How about that for a seems a little tougher. The hole seems a little smaller. Is it golden? Wants an angle on the 3. Not played it. Okay. Earl the Pearl gets a look here. Gets off to the best possible start. Let's look at everybody stood around watching Earl the Pearl.
Billy just lost a heartbreaker.
80-inch cue. Awkward because I thought it was unmissable, but clearly not. Okay, we got a bit of some.
Make contact with it.
Not surprising that he missed it by some way, but boy.
Yeah, nice recovery there. Yeah, I don't think he can even go forward. I think he's just got to dig out here one rail.
From making it 4-1. Felix plays the...
Yeah, great hit by
Double
Earl.
J as Wolford takes a 4-1 lead. Oh, look at this safety. Needs the one ball to slow down though. Chase the 9. That needs to go, Scott.
Looks, I believe, but automatic to the 2. Well, he's overhit this. Yeah, I think you can check it if you go to the lower left corner here. Needs to get out towards the middle or at least above the 6. No problem.
All very close up, isn't it, with his cue action?
Yeah, I was just thinking about that. He's real compact, but do you think...
I don't think there will be. I think he's just far too young.
Yeah.
You know.
You barely know who he is.
It's like, that's how young this guy is. I don't know who Earl the Pearl is.
Real. He's attacking. Here. Probably goes all the way. No, he can hold. No problem. Makes it look easy.
Yeah, it's getting a bit worrying this for Earl. I don't know. In fairness, we've not seen much of the Pearl. In other games, you don't get punished at all. Shane's 5, and we've got to be honest. If someone's going to...
Yeah, there's a much better break.
Well, decided to pound it in. Scott, you've been in the chair many times, as in Earl's chair.
Nice place, but I think for Earl even more so, just because of the situation, right? And you really do. You missed the combination in game number 1. It's been all Vogel since. I think you just...
Middle of 64 years.
Talked myself right out of it.
Yeah, he was born in June 1961. Some sort of meditation or something.
Yeah. So, of course you can win, Earl. Through that top left corner. Yeah, that's what he's doing. Speed's a little off. That I ain't been playing and he won't sit still. I could have sworn he just played the floor. It's almost gone back so far.
Come on, Earl. We want to see some action.
Just got to be up top a little bit, kind of like the head. He didn't want to finish.
That needs to go.
Over the table with his hands over his eyes like he was looking for something.
That'll do. That'll dress up okay. Crashing into him, but this time, not bad.
No.
Much table time in this match. At what point does it start getting...
He's shooting the other way.
Doubles back within 2.
Yeah, Jeremy, the type of player may be confident.
Let me tell you, Scott, JJ breaks the balls good at this break format. He breaks very hard and he makes the 1 ball back in that match over there. And Earl the Pearl looks like he's fine. We had the combo 9 ball that he missed, and he's won this.
I would venture to say he has not played every U.S. Open.
And the first U.S. Open was 1976.
No, it's a fair question, actually. I think that would be really interesting to know. He'd probably, or something like that.
Yeah, I'd love to find out the exact number. That's the number I'm after. He won his... He's played in a lot out of the 48.
Played his first and has his 5 titles. We might get some stats for you at some point.
What was amazing about Shane's 5...
That's where I was going with this, yeah.
Now you're getting a glimpse.
But when was Earl's last U.S. Open win? His first was... it could have been... I'd like to know.
Oh, watch out, cue ball, don't you dare. That'd have been...
When you're young, it's a lot different story. And he did get the gap, and that's why Earl was... Wow, that's... You can see the way he works the cue. I think he's a few years away. Still qualifies for juniors, chose to play with the big boys, and you can see why it's than this, but I don't think it's going to be too long through he breaks through. Yeah, this break going to be dry. Yeah, Earl's got earbuds in, so he can't.
I think he may have stuck the... This goes in the side. Get to the hill here. He's shown us enough in this match. He's more than capable.
Yeah, you're right, Carl.
Sort of exhibitions and shows and coaches. Oh no, oh no.
Lose it here, Carl. Yeah, because last game.
You know, at the end of the day, if that was me and I was sat in that chair, I'd still be, you know, let's say I get beat 9-2, I'd be walking out the arena thinking, how did I miss that?
Been pretty convincing, Carl.
Yeah, listen. This needs to settle down a little bit. And Vogel has had and in no time at all, the young 17-year-old Felix Vogel